Okay, welcome with another lab related experiment. This is the differential equation using MATLAB, a digital lab experiment. We have been given one differential equation, y of n is equal to y of n minus 1 plus 1 by 4 times the n minus 2 is equal to x of n plus 2 times the x of n minus 1. This is the equation which have been obtained, and it says that x of n is equal to 1 by 2 times to the power of n into u of n, and we know that u of n is a step function which is equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0, and u of n is equal to 0 for n less than 0. Since this is present, is a product of some parameter for x of n, we will have the x of n values only for above or equal to 0. So that suppose you put n is equal to 0, we get x of 0 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 0 into 1, it becomes 1. Anything to the power of 0 is calculated as 1. For n is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to 1 by 2 times to the power of 1, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, for n is equal to 1 by 4, n is equal to 3, 1 by 8, and n is equal to 4, it is 1 by 16, 5, it is 1 by 64, and so on. I prefer only 4 elements enough for me, so I have calculated only the 4 values, and I have noted that 4 values saying x of n is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. These are the response or values of the sequence x of n. Okay, and here the coefficients are 1 for the x of n and 2 for the x of n minus 1, means that the coefficient of x of n is 1 and 2. Coefficient of y of n is 1, 1 and 1 by 4. In this program, we are supposed to enter the coefficients of y of n, coefficients of x of n, and the sequence of the x of n. And this is the differential equation without any boundary condition. That statement I have not written here. This program, this concept deals with the differential equation without any boundary condition. I am not using any boundary condition. Theoretically, now I will calculate what will be going to the values of x of y of n. Output signal. I know that input signal, input sequence, okay, and I know the system function. Now I should find the output of the system. Suppose that, so that I rewrite that equation y of n, and that I will rewrite this equation as shown over here. If I put n is equal to 0, when place the wherever n is there, put n is equal to 0, it becomes y of 0. Y of this becomes y of minus 1, and 1 by 4 times the y of minus 2, x of 0 plus 2 times the x of minus 1. See, y of minus 1 we do not know the values, y of minus 2 again we do not know the values. This concept is without any boundary conditions. Since we are concentrating on 0 and above, we prefer here y of minus 1 is 0 and y of minus 2 is also 0. So that by putting so, we get that y of 0 we have to find, y of minus 1 is 0, y of minus is 0, is x of 0, we have found that x of 0 is 1, and this is x of minus 1, we have got 1 by 2. So 2 into x of minus 1 we get 1 by x of minus 1 is 0, so the 2 into 0 is going to be the 0. After solving this, we get y of 0 as 1, y of 0 is equal to 1. Now when n is equal to 1, if you put n is equal to 1, we will substitute that this becomes y of n plus y of 0 plus 1 by 4 times the y of n, y of minus 1, x of 1 plus 2 times the x of 0. Okay. By putting in place of n, we are putting 1. So first one is n as it is y of 1. Here n minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, n minus 2, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and again in for x of n, it is x of 1 plus 2 times the x of 0. Okay, see here, other than y of n, we got all the values. Y of 0 is equal to 1, just previously we have found, y of minus 1 it is 0, and x of 1, that is this value 1 by 2, and into 2 times the x of 0 means this value. So substituting all this, we get y of 1 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but y of 1 is equal to 1.5. Similarly, substituting y of n is equal to 2, it becomes y of 2 plus y of 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, and so substituting. So we have to find the y of 2 values, and we have y of 1 just previously we have found, y of 0 its value is 1, lastly we have found, and substituting all this value we get y of 2 is equal to minus 0.5, and similarly n is equal to 3, we get y of 3 is equal to 0.75. So the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, the coefficient of y is 1, 1, 1 by 4, the values of x of n or sequence of x of n is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and this is 1 by 8. And we are supposed to get y of n as 1, 1 by 5, minus 0.5 and 0.75. We will have the MATLAB code, whether it will execute or not, we will see that too. This is the code already written, which is in the written. This is this is program for solving the differential equation without boundary condition. See, this is without boundary condition. Without boundary condition. Okay. We will ask enter the coefficient of y of n minus k, y of n minus k. Okay. First we will enter the coefficient of y of n minus k, and next it will ask the coefficient of x of n minus k. Next it will ask the input sequence what we have calculated, and we will get that y of y value. Okay. And we are for this we are using the function called filter. Filter, they are giving the coefficients b, a, first coefficients of x, next coefficients of y, and the value of x. This is to plot the impulse response. Okay. If you run this code, okay, it will ask enter the coefficients. Okay, enter the coefficient of y of n minus k. So y of n minus k is 1, 1 and 1 by 4. And it will ask enter the coefficients of x of n minus k. That is 1, 2. I will enter that. Enter the input sequence. What we have calculated, the x of n is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of n. What we have calculated, that value is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. We will enter the values. Okay, we get here. We are going to get the values. That is 1, 0.5, 0.25, 0.1, 1.5, minus 0.5, 0.75. See this, what you have calculated. See, this is the value. Compare this value, these two values. 1.5 minus 0.5, 0.75. 1.5 minus 0.5, 0.75. Okay. Similarly, next the same differential equation with the boundary condition. Here we are assuming y of minus 1 is equal to 1 and y of minus 2 is equal to 2. And same procedure we have used here, and we found that x of n, no changes in the finding the x of n. We have got the values of x of n. We substitute n is equal to 0, and we will ask that. Okay, we will ask that the y value. See, if you give the 5 sequence, we will get the out of y of n also the 5 sequence. Okay. That is by putting n is equal to 0, y of 0 plus y of minus 1 plus y of 1 by 4 times y of minus 2 is equal to x of 0 plus 2 times the x of minus 1. Y of 0 is supposed to find y of minus 1 means 1 as per the given boundary condition. Y of minus 1 is 1 and y of minus 2 is 2 as per the given condition, it is 2, okay, and is equal to x of 0 plus 2 times the x of minus 1. Substituting that we get the minus 0.5. The difference between the with boundary condition and without boundary condition, there we have taken y of minus 1 and y of minus 2 as 0. Instead we have taken here the values 1 and 2 respectively. Similarly, for y n is equal to 1, the same procedure. Okay. Okay, 1 means y of 1, this is y of 0, it becomes that. Substitute the in place of n value, substitute the value, you will get that, and this will be 2.75 and so on. In the same way, we are finding the values. And again coming to the MATLAB code, here we have written the program with different boundary conditions. See here, first it will enter the coefficients of x of n, y of n, and next the x of n, and next the input sequences. Another extra is initial one. Here I am taking in the variable initial one, I am taking the input, enter the initial conditions y of minus 1, y of minus 2, y of minus 3 and so on. The extra is with respect to the initial condition we will get some value z I. Here we are using only one statement extra than the previous program is that fill tick operation is used to find the z I values. To find the z I values, this z I value is obtained by having that coefficients of x, coefficients of y and initial conditions. This z I value have been calculated. That value will be applied to the filter. Okay. Filter the coefficient of b, coefficient of a and the sequence x of n, and next I am applying the value z of I, the values which I have calculated with the initial conditions. We have two conditions here, two equations, whereas in without boundary conditions we have only one directly we have written, that is coefficients of x, coefficients of y and the sequence. Okay. With boundary conditions we have got the two functions. Okay, these are the two functions, nothing changes, everything remains the same, only the two functions. With initial condition I have calculated z I am substituting that z I. Okay, that's all. It will ask the quotient of y, that is similarly I have taken 1 by 4, and coefficient of x, that is 1, 2, will get the coefficient of the sequence of x of n, that is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. And it will ask the initial condition, that is y of minus 1 is 1, y of minus 2 is 2. Okay, that is y 1 and 2 have written. See, we got this value minus 0.5, 2.75, minus 1.35, 1.235. See, we have calculated theoretical values. So, for n is equal to 0, we got minus 0.5, n is equal to 1, 2.75, n is equal to minus 1.375, 1.325. Okay, one extra we have calculated. Okay. This is the same value we get here in the MATLAB window also. Minus 0.5, 2.75, minus 1.375, 1.375. Okay. If I give this, I rerun this program. I rerun this program with the same thing. I will enter the quotients of y, I will enter the quotients of x, I will enter the values. Inside one more I will give extra, 1 by 8, I will give 1 by 16. Further extension 1 by 16, I have given us 5 impulses, so that, and it asks for the in boundary condition, that is 1 for y of minus 1, 2 for y of minus 2, and you get the 5 different values. See, this is the previously calculated value and one is extra calculated compared to the previous one. This is regarding the differential equation of MATLAB, different DSP lab using MATLAB. Okay, thank you, one and all.